Hello again. I just wanted to make a very quick tips and tricks kind of video for you with Google Slides. As somebody who has spent way too much time making Google Slides, and I mean that as a criticism of my own teaching. I know I lecture too much. So anyway, I would like to show you though how to make different kinds of themes or change themes very quickly so you don't have to use the same stuff over and over again. So I get very tired of having a limited choice of themes. All right, so quick tips. These are your standard Google Slides themes. They are quite boring as they stand, and there are only like 15 of them that are available. So why don't we just pick one at random here? All right, so yeah, I guess circles, little pie chart type deal there. That's fine. Okay. All right, go up here to View, Master. Okay, so now we can edit basically the whole template for the slides. Okay, so this one right here, master title slide. Basically what you can do here is you can edit the background. Okay, change background. So instead of just a plain old white background, that's really annoying down there, hide. All right, so instead of that background, you can say, you know what, I'm going to pick this nice light blue background for my theme. Okay, that looks nice. You can keep the gray lettering, or you can go up here. Let's say I want gold lettering for all of my titles of my slides. I don't really like that actually, but okay, let's let's try this. See how that looks. Nope, too light. Okay. All right. Hey, June, stop smashing Gus with the whatever you want to call that, cushion. Okay, so let's just keep that there. First level. All right, let's go with our body text. Go pink. Nah, also too light. All right, well, let's go off theme here. That's not supposed to happen. There, darn it. Okay, let's go off theme. What would look nice on here? I don't know, maybe a dark green? No, no. Okay, so I'm failing a little bit here, but you can dink around with it. Maybe a dark blue for the body. We'll just stick with that. Okay, now look what happens. Instead of normal white background slides, you can look down. Every single slide that had a white background now has this background. Okay, and that's style text. You can also alter the theme or the fonts. Okay, so let's say you want to go with Georgia, one of my favorites. Okay. And then you want all these guys. Instead of Nunito, I want Lobster font, which is a terrible font. It's not very legible, but boom, every other slide. It's all changed like that. Okay, so you get the idea there. Title slide, you know what? Not a fan of the background. So again, let's pick a different color. Well, this is just a hideous color, so why not that? Boom. Ugly, but effective. Another one here. Format options. You can change this guy too, of course. And so you see that, go to, okay, so you see that actually changed the font on the title slide as well. It changed this to another classic color combo maybe there. Looks terrible. Okay. Either way, you can mess around with it. And then this is just a hideous fake gold. Oof. Okay. Dark blue though. Why not dark blue? That's really what I should do with the rest of it. So anywho, all right, now that we've got that made, then boom, you've got your beautiful title slide. Subtitle alpha. All right, and now you go to create a new slide. Section header, boom. Loop, new section. Okay, obviously it's got all your changes set there. All right, title and body. Bloopy, bloppy. Of course, you need the bullet point for bloopy and bloppy. Okay, subsection there. All right, so you can mess around with this, but if you go to that view master, then you can make all these changes very quickly and it will change all of them. This one didn't get changed, so yeah, whatever. You could change this to there, sure. Then you can bring that nice blue in there. So, okay. All right, that's my tips and tricks for how to make a slightly more interesting Google Slides presentation. All right. How do I unhide that thing now? Uh-oh. What do I do now?